How to set up call forwarding on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option you see there. Further, scroll down again and then tap on the phone option, and now scroll down again and you will see the option for call forwarding. Tap on the call forwarding option and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for call forwarding, and you will then see the forward to tab. So tap on the forward to option and then go ahead and enter the desired phone number and ensure that you are in range of your cellular network, as this feature requires a GSM connection to function. So this was about how you can set up call forwarding on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.